Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the trending road colors challenge on TikTok. So this is a new filter on TikTok where you can just match the color shown in the filter in the effects, and you can just say the color. You can see that the text and also the color of the text is different, so you need to match with the true color of the text. So you can just click on this plus icon, and then you can click on this effects, and on the trending in here, you'll easily find the road color, so just use that effect. And then here I'm going to go with 60 seconds. Now you can just read the colors. Just start recording. You can see that the color, it says green, but the text is red, so you can just follow it. Let's try. Green, red, red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, orange, orange, pink, pink. So you need to speak while the circle pass the road, so you need to the exact moment, but that's my result in here. I got it in 17 seconds. So you can try this challenge on your TikTok. So good luck. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.